Welcome to today's meditation to attract a specific person and make them miss you. In this meditation, we will use the laws of attraction and assumption combined to increase your positive love energy while simultaneously sending your specific person electromagnetic love energy that will not only make them miss you, but will also attract them to you. The electromagnetic love energy in this meditation will be so strong that your specific person will instantly start missing you. And for even more powerful results, get my Worship Me spell to enhance the results of this meditation. Meditations work great, but if your mind is constantly holding you back with limiting and negative beliefs about your specific person, you will never manifest them. The Worship Me spell will not only eliminate those negative beliefs, but will also make that attraction between you and your specific person even more stronger. To get the Worship Me spell, click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. Now let's begin the meditation. Gently close your eyes as you begin now to focus your intention on your heart. You can do this by placing one hand over your heart area. As you do this, become aware of your heartbeat in the center of your chest. Begin now to energize your heart by breathing deeply into your heart. Imagine if you had a tiny little hole in the center of your chest, and with every inhale, your heart grows in size. In your mind, begin to think of a time in your life when you felt deeply in love. As you invoke this memory, allow the feeling of deep, passionate love within your heart as you begin to put on a big smile. Take a deep inhale and a long exhale. Your body is completely relaxed. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am loved. Everything I desire desires me. I am wanted. I am valued. I am respected. I am cherished. I am the kind of person that manifests their dream life. I am the kind of person that receives everything I pray for. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Allow this intense feeling of love to fill your heart and your body. Every part of your body is now flooded with this strong feeling of love. This love energy is now radiating outside of your body. Now begin to visualize the specific person who you want to attract and who you want to miss you. Visualize them standing right in front of you. See their face, their eyes, their hair, their nose, their skin, their body. They step closer to you. You can now smell their unique scent. They step even closer to give you a long embrace. How does their body feel? Then they say to you, I have missed you so much. Then they kiss you passionately on your lips. How do their lips taste? Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Your love energy is now exploding out of you. Now begin to direct your love energy towards your specific person. Your specific person is receiving this love energy instantly from you. Imagine them surrounded by this energy. Now say to yourself, "Thank you, universe, for bringing in my specific person." Now I'll count from 5 to 1, and as I count, you will begin to bring all the energy back into your heart and slowly open your eyes. 5, this love energy is flowing back to you. 4, this love energy is traveling through your body from head to toe. 3, your heart is inhaling all the love energy. 2, you are feeling all the love that you and your specific person share. 1, slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "Thank you, universe, for bringing in my specific person," to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs about you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells work. Bye, my loves, for now, and I will see you in the next meditation.